Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we have a superb eyeshadow tutorial, and the fun part about this is that it is a one eyeshadow tutorial. The last video I did, you guys really loved it, and I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be even adding some glitz to it. We're going to be adding glitter to up the look. So if you want to learn some eyeshadow tricks and tips, go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get into the video, kindly click subscribe down below and share your thoughts in the comment section. And with no further ado, let us get straight into the video. Okay, voiceover here. Right now I'm taking the Blossom concealers and I'm going to use that to pat it in and blend. Okay, I'm not taking the concealer upwards to my brow bone. I'm putting that on the lid, then what is left on the brush is what I'll take close to the brow bone area. Okay, and I'm making sure I'm blending the lid so that I don't have any creasing line, so that the eyeshadow would not crack. So that is the essence of blending and blending thoroughly. Right now I'm going into this colorful eyeshadow and I'm taking these two red eyeshadows, the darker and the lighter one, and before I apply I'm going to blend the lids so that there are no lines. Okay, and now I'll be taking, this is the brush I use, just this is one brush, and now I'm taking this fluffy brush. The reason for this brush is because it can pack on colors and it can blend. We're trying to, the goal of the video is to show you how you can use like 3 brushes to achieve one look. So right now I am packing the eyeshadows on. You want to pack the eyeshadows onto the lid to get the most out of the colors. Okay, I have another one color. I think I'm going to turn this into a series. Okay, I have another one coming up, and I think you should subscribe already if you have not yet. So I'm packing this color on the lid area. As you can see, I'm not taking it, I'm just close to the crease line. Okay, that is where I would stop. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. You can see I'm not taking that to the crease. Right now what I'm doing is just to blend slightly. Okay, I'm taking that same brush and a little product, and I'm going to blend the edges of that color first, to make it look faded. Yeah, to make it look faded, and I'm going to blend that upwards. Now I'm going to be taking a powder palette with this fluffy blending brush, and this is where I'm going to blend between the brow bone and the red eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my brush to blend it thoroughly because we want to have this gradient between the brow bone and the eyeshadow color. As you can see, it is coming together really nicely, and the tip here is to make sure to blend, like just keep blending till you are satisfied with the result. Now I'm going back in with that same brush to just pack on the colors in case I lost any, and now I'll go back in again to blend the edges. And this is what we're looking like right now. It is beautiful. We're good to go. So I'm still blending. Come on now, I still blend just to make sure. And these are the 3 brushes that I use. The goal of this tutorial is to minimize the use of brush. We just use these 3 brushes to create this amazing look. Pardon me, I can't talk. Now I'm going into the Miss Rose glitter glue, and I'm going to use the glitter from Oye's Place, and I'm going to use, it's a red glitter, and I'm using the applicator because this is like my own personal glitter. If I'm working on a client, I will use a brush to apply. Now I'm going in with the glitter, and I'm making sure I'm pressing that in, and until I'm satisfied with the glitter placement, I would keep packing on the glitter. I just want it to be on the lid and a little bit on the crease line where it will be visible because I've got hooded eyes.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. Clear my
Okay, after I'm done and I'm okay with the placement, this is what we're looking like. I'll go back in with that same brush to blend the edges to make sure that some glitters are not where I want them to be, just to, you know, secure everything. And I'll go back in with that same brush I used for the powder and further blend the edges. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the highlighter to highlight the brow bone. And with this, the eye look is really complete. I went ahead to pop on my lashes, and voila, we're done. I did hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.